Today, we're sharing how to make the Avocado Ranch Smash Bacon Burger by Avocados from Mexico. We start with the toasted bottom bun as our base. Next, we'll scoop and spread smashed ranch avocado evenly across with your Avo tool. Stack 2 all-beef burger patties with cheese right on top. Add 2 strips of bacon and top it off with our caramelized onions. Spread the avocado sauce across the toasted top bun and place it on top of the burger. Hold all this goodness in place with a wooden pick. And now, you're ready to serve the Avocado Ranch Smash Bacon Burger by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.